So part of getting ready for your detox is to switch your foods out to healthier ones and using ingredients that are going to aid in your gut health and healing your gut health. This particular dressing is my go-to on a regular basis anyways. It has the flaxseed oil for your omegas. It has apple cider vinegar, which is great for you as well. We talked about that. We have your prebiotics, which would be your onion and your garlic, thyme for flavor. We have honey, which is a great antibacterial as well. So all together, it makes a very delicious and nutritious salad dressing. So to start it off, we're going to go ahead and do a 1/4 cup of flaxseed oil in my bowl. That goes in. We're going to do 2 lemons. And before I do that, I'm going to do a teaspoon of lemon rind in here. Get that in there first. And then we'll put the juice of the 2 lemons inside. I'm also swapping out the greens for sprouted sweet pea greens. I love them. So we talked about including ingredients that are gentle for your gut. And by adding things like apple cider vinegar and the lemon juice, if you suffer from ulcers or you have a gut that's not healthy, you want to add acid to it as opposed to taking it away. Okay, we're gonna do an entire shallot, finely minced up. We're going to do some thyme, fresh thyme in here as well. Dried would do also. And we're gonna do a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, that goes in. Butterfingers today. Teaspoon of raw honey. And we're going to do a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and I think that is it. And then whisk it together. Garlic. Hello, garlic. Now, garlic, I said to you, is a prebiotic. It's necessary for your tummy to have things that the probiotics can feed off of. So garlic is key. I'm putting in 2 cloves, certainly put in more. Whatever works for you without it upsetting your tummy too much. Have you ever overdosed on garlic? We've done it plenty of times in my family, where in the middle of the night I've woken up with, it feels like indigestion, tummy upset from garlic, but we never learn our lesson in our family. Okay, we're whisking that together. You can put this into a mason jar as well and give it a really good shake. Other things that I would add to this, sun-dried tomato would be great. Dry mustard is fantastic. Certainly ginger would be a great addition. Chopped up parsley or cilantro inside would be super good. Any of those things would be fantastic. Okay, let's make some room here. I'm in a grocery store, so it's very easy getting my ingredients. I picked up a batch of, it's called protein greens, 5 grams of plant protein greens in it, and it is the sweet pea leaves. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to make a salad that also has some sprouted grains in it as well. So I'll do a handful of the greens. I'm going to also include some sprouted broccoli. I've never tried this before. Everyone's done the regular sprouts, but this one I've never done, so we'll do some of this. Sprouted means that it's alive and very healthy and nutritious for you. So that goes in. And then I have a mixture of, taken out my white rice, I've included a brown rice. This is a sprouted brown rice. It also has some lentils in it as well, and some wild rice. So I'll go ahead and put some of that in here. I made a batch of it last night. Now it's in my fridge, and it'll be included in different meals that I feed to my family all week. So planning ahead is probably the biggest success of managing a diet. So if you spend your Sunday going ahead and preparing for your diet, you'll be much more successful. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and toss this all together. So we'll put in about half of this into my beautiful salad. toss that all together. I'm going to also include some roasted flax seeds as well. Hemp hearts would be super good in here also. Oh, joy. There we go. I'm the worst at getting lids off. Now, roasted flax seeds as opposed to whole flax seeds for a couple of reasons. We know that by roasting them, it breaks the very hard hull on the seed to release the beautiful omega-3s. So that's necessary as opposed to having whole ones that are not roasted. So we'll toss that together. When we come back from the commercial, we will plate up and see how it tastes. See you in a minute.